No, 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 no. It's broccoli.
In autumn.
Surprise. Oh my god.
Dinner.
What? Why do you...
Oh my god! It's okay.
Stop being ratchet.
I don't know what you're doing, but you're sure good at it.
Only love can hurt like this.
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth.
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh,
What? What?
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.
Butter?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Meow, 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 ow!
This is my cat Mimi. She loves me.
You can't get up.
Here he goes.
No. To you too.
Wait.
Nope.
Hey. It's gonna be hot.
From the spot, await the noise.
Stop. I'm literally just trying to.
Encore et encore, et après tu vas vers mort et tu nous fais ton petit numéro.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not. And now, ow.
Excuse me?
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Толя, блядь! Толя!
Prop herself up again.
Alexa! Alexa!
Can I have a snack?
No.
Bitch.
Make it good.
From the basement?
Tamam. Bugün yarın tamam. Hafta
not only do you have a Shark, you hungry?
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
Abası şip bidi şip bidi şip.
I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you. What are you doing?
Her şeycik.
Get.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Get. Oh, she really stuck, G.
I owed him